Watch someone walk into a room. Nobody says a word, but everyone respects them instantly. How? I used to be invisible. People looked right through me. I'd share ideas and nobody listened. It felt like I didn't matter, but then I changed 5 things. Small adjustments. Suddenly people started listening when I spoke. They asked my opinion. They treated me completely different. The crazy part? I talked less than before. Today I'm showing you these 5 secrets, from weakest to strongest. You can use them right now. No special skills needed. Here's what matters. Respect isn't about being loud. Real respect happens silently. People feel it without knowing why. Your body sends signals others pick up automatically. I tested these methods for 3 years. They worked every single time. 5 simple moves that make people respect you without saying a word. Each one builds on the last. The final one is the secret most people never discover. Stay until the end because that last secret is dangerous. It's the difference between being ignored and being the person everyone listens to. Secret 1. Stand like a winner. Most people stand with shoulders down, head low, taking up tiny space like they want to disappear. Winners stand tall, shoulders back, head up, not like a robot. Natural, like they own the space. Your body talks before your mouth does. When you stand tall, people's brains automatically think you're important. The thought just appears. This person matters. It happens in milliseconds before anyone says hello. Your posture already told them who you are. Try this right now. Sit up straight, pull your shoulders back slightly. Feel that shift? That's respect starting to build. But standing tall is just the foundation. Secret 2. Move slowly. Respected people never rush. They move slow, talk slow, do everything like they have all the time in the world. Nervous people run around like panicked chickens. When you move slow, you look calm. When you look calm, you look in control. When you look in control, people respect you. Picture this. 2 people walk into a meeting. One rushes in, throws their bag down, starts talking fast, making excuses. The other walks in slowly, sits down calmly, waits before speaking. Who looks more important? The slow one. Every time. Walk 10% slower than usual. Pause 2 seconds before answering questions. When you slow down, people wait for you to speak. They lean in. They get curious. In a world where everyone rushes and yells, the calm person becomes the most powerful person in the room. Secret 3. This one's different. Last year, I watched my friend Sarah destroy her career in one meeting. She had the right ideas, the right experience, the right everything. But when the CEO started talking about the company's problems, Sarah jumped in, cut him off, started explaining her solution, talked for 5 minutes straight. Brilliant ideas. Nobody cared. The CEO's face went cold. He thanked her, then asked someone else, someone who hadn't said a word yet. That person nodded, asked one question. What do you think is the real issue here? Then shut up. Just listened. Took notes. The CEO talked for 10 minutes, opened up completely. At the end, that person said 8 words. I think I understand. Here's what I'd try. Got the project. Got a promotion 3 months later. Sarah got nothing. Here's what I learned watching that. Everyone thinks respect comes from having the best answer. Wrong. Respect comes from making others feel heard first. Most people wait for their turn to talk. Respected people forget about talking. They focus completely on understanding. They nod. They ask questions. They actually care. When you make someone feel important, they respect you forever. Next time someone talks to you, try this. Forget your response. Watch their face. Feel what they're feeling, then respond. Before I show you the last 2 secrets, do me a favor. If you respect what you're learning here, show it. Hit that like button. It's the silent signal that tells YouTube to share this with others. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And comment which secret you'll try first. I actually read them. Now the really dangerous stuff. Secret 4, the 3-second rule. Look people in the eyes for 3 seconds. Look away for 1. Look back. That's it. Simple, powerful. When you look someone in the eyes, you're saying, I'm not afraid, I'm confident. People respect confidence instantly, but don't stare like a robot. 3 seconds, 1 away. Repeat. I tried this with my boss. Usually I'd look at my shoes. This time I used the 3-second rule. He started respecting my opinions more. Same words, different eye contact. Practice with everyone. The cashier, your friends, your family. 1 week and you'll feel completely different. Now the final secret, the most dangerous one. Secret 5. Strategic silence. This isn't about staying quiet when people talk. That's secret 3. This is different. This is about weaponizing silence in high-stakes moments when everyone expects you to speak. Let me tell you what happened 6 months ago. My company was losing a major client. $500,000. The client was furious, called an emergency meeting, wanted answers. Everyone panicked. 10 people in the room. 9 of them started talking immediately, making excuses, blaming each other, promising fixes, talking over each other. Desperate, loud, chaotic. I sat there, said nothing. Not because I didn't have answers. I had plenty, but I stayed quiet. Watched the client's face. He wasn't listening to anyone. He was getting angrier. The noise got worse. People were almost yelling. The client stood up. Everyone thought he was leaving. Everyone talked faster, louder. I still said nothing. Then the client did something nobody expected. He looked directly at me. You haven't said a word. What do you think? The room went silent. Everyone stared at me. I waited 3 more seconds. Let the silence hang there. Uncomfortable? Heavy? Then I spoke. Slowly. Calmly. 11 words. I think we failed you. Here's how we fix it. I laid out one solution. Simple, clear. Took 45 seconds. The client sat back down. Finally, someone who gets it. Do that. We kept the client. I got promoted. Here's why this works. Silence and chaos makes you look like the only person in control. Like you see something nobody else sees. Like you're above the panic. But here's the dangerous part. You have to be comfortable with the discomfort. When everyone's talking and you're not, it feels wrong. People will look at you. They'll expect you to jump in. They might even ask why you're quiet. Stay quiet anyway. Wait, watch. Let the chaos burn itself out. Then when you finally speak, make it count. Short. Calm, clear. One idea, one solution. That's real power. Most people think respect comes from having the most to say. Wrong. Respect comes from knowing when saying nothing is the most powerful move you can make. But here's what ties all 5 secrets together. They only work if you respect yourself first. Standing tall respects your body. Moving slow respects your time. Eye contact respects your worth. Listening respects others. Silence respects your words. You can't fake this. People feel the difference between pretending and believing. So here's what you do. Pick one secret, just one. Try it for 1 week. Stand taller. Move slower. Use eye contact. Listen harder. Or stay silent when everyone expects you to speak. 1 week. Then watch how people treat you differently. These 5 things took me from invisible to someone people listen to. They'll work for you too. But remember this. The goal isn't to manipulate people. The goal is to become someone worth respecting. These secrets just help others see what's already there. The moment you start respecting yourself, everyone else will too. Thanks for watching, and until next time.